Would you like to buy some chocolate for a school fundraiser?
How much is it?
$2 each.
$2? Let me go see if I have cash.
Okay. Oh, look something like that. She's no good for watch her lips look like that. You can get this shit prepared for me because I don't want no fucking dog bite the hell out of my fucking meat.
Metro Boomin, make a boom. Metro Boomin, make a boom.
My legs! I can't feel my legs! Oh God! Please help!
Oh. Hey neighbor. Is it hot in here or is it just a little cooler? Help me! Please!
Think fast! Listen, that child is going to be a pro athlete.